Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and if you clicked on this video because you're interested in the Lancome Tient Idole foundation review, then keep on watching. I'm going to be doing an application review of this foundation, so I'm going to be applying it as I am explaining my thoughts on the foundation. In order to prime my skin, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser primer. Primer, that's what I'm going to be going in with to begin with. This foundation I have worn at least 3 times on my channel, explicitly saying which foundation I'm wearing. If I have not stated which foundation I'm wearing, then most likely I've just put on this foundation in order to film a video. Basically what I'm trying to say is, girl, this foundation has been in my life for at least a year and a half, 2 years. I just have not come around to reviewing it. Oh my gosh, actually, as I was editing this video, I realized I actually have old footage of me reviewing the Lancome foundation, but the video just never made it online. I don't know what I didn't like about this video, but I didn't like it. I mean, look, it was my old setup in my old room. Oh my gosh, how cute. I look so young here. What happened, girl? So yeah, like Lancome has definitely been in my life for a couple of years. I just don't know why I hadn't gotten around to reviewing it, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, goodbye. Get back to the review, girl. Get back to it. In today's video, I'm going to be using the shade number 12. So yeah, let's just get into application and let's talk more about this baby. I've just put the foundation on here, onto my little, whatchamacallit? What is this thing called? Platelet, somebody. Before I even go into the foundation review, guys, let's just talk about the packaging, okay? You guys know I love a good package, okay? This is what the bottle looks like. It comes in a frosted bottle. I think it's about 30 milliliter foundation, which is a healthy sized amount of foundation. So it has a frosted glass here. And the thing I like about this foundation bottle is this black cap. The reason why I like the black cap is, as you can see, the foundation kind of, no matter what foundation you're using, as you are squeezing the foundation out of your bottle, it tends to become messy, and the black cap just kind of helps hide all that mess, so it looks cute always. And also, before we even get into it, I love the fact that it has a pump. I've spoken about pumps before. I don't understand foundations that still come out in this day and age without a pump. Pumps just basically help you not have your foundation become the train of thought I was going with that sentence. No ma'am.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
No, it helps you not put too much foundation on your skin. So for example, if you're going to be using a medium buildable coverage foundation, then you'll know that if I want a medium coverage today, because I don't know, I'm going to the beach, I'm going to be out there in the sun, I want like a, you know, natural look, then I use 1 pump. Every time I want like a full-on coverage foundation look, then I'll put 3 pumps. So pumps just help you kind of guide yourself, depending on what makeup look you want to do, to make that process so much easier. It helps you not waste foundation. So pump, packaging, everything about this bottle I absolutely love. The fact that it's frosted speaks to the fact that it might be a matte foundation, but we'll speak about that as we go. I'm going to be using my stained, okay, it's not dirty, it's stained, beauty blender to apply this foundation. Okay, I'm back. My camera switched off there because of battery. But is it even a Laurina video if my camera doesn't decide it doesn't want to do things the way it should be? No, it's not. It's not.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. Now sopranos. No ma'am. No ma'am. No.
It's not. This foundation does have a scent, but honestly, the scent is there for me personally if you're looking for it. But it all just depends on how you feel about scents personally, because like I said, I'm only even really mentioning this because I get questions about it every now and again. Underneath my foundation reviews. The coverage that this foundation has, as you can see, is a medium to buildable coverage. This is the first layer. I've only put on one layer, and I feel like I only want to put on one layer for this foundation. As you saw in the beginning of the video, the only things that I'm trying to basically cover up here are hyperpigmentation marks from old acne scarring. So if that's your issue, girl, listen, this foundation has got you covered, because at this point you can't even see anything. Like, the only reason why I would say it is medium to buildable coverage is because I don't have that much that needs to be covered anyway. So I'm just putting out a disclaimer out there for anybody that has more imperfections or problematic areas that they would need covered. As I have this foundation on right now, and as I've always had this foundation on, it does not feel cakey. I think it is because it does what it does with the least amount of product needed. So like I said, if you have hyperpigmentation marks that need covering like I do, you're definitely not going to need a humongous amount of product, and it's not going to feel like it's caking up your face. Even on days though that I have wanted it to be full coverage, like, you know, when you just want that look, when you just want, like, you want to look like somebody else. I definitely still don't feel like I'm wearing a humongous amount of foundation on my skin, so that's another plus that I would give it. So we've spoken about the packaging that it comes in. We've spoken about what it is you're going to smell as soon as you open the foundation. We've spoken about how much you're going to need in order to cover up imperfections. Once that is done, I do have to say that this is a matte foundation. So as you can see, it's already starting to dry down now. The reason why I like this is because I would have to say it's more semi-matte matte foundation, because it doesn't leave you with that cakey feeling. It's kind of the same thing with, you know, matte lipsticks. I love a good matte lipstick, but there are some matte lipsticks now where you cannot move your mouth, you cannot communicate with the communication device because it's now frozen in mattation. That's not what you experience with this foundation. You're not going to be feeling like you have Botox all over your face, because we know, honey, we know there are those sort of foundations where you want the matte look because you have oily skin, but now you can't even move your face. You can't be expressive. Come on now. What's the point of that? So you definitely don't have to worry about looking like you have Botox and that your face is frozen in time. This does not give you an uncomfortable matte finish. It definitely gives you a matte finish that will last throughout the day. Okay, so let's speak about the price. Because it's all good and well if I'm telling you all these nice things, but as per usual, people also want to know how much it is. So this foundation runs at 550 Rand per bottle, which, let me explain. I know it sounds like a lot of money, but honestly guys, for the amount of work that it's doing, the finish, the coverage, also the bottle, I know you don't care about the bottle, but I do, okay? The way that the foundation looks and also the brand, I don't think this is a ridiculous amount of money. When you're talking about Lancome, you're also putting it in the same category as your Estee Lauders and your Bobbi Browns. So this is definitely on par with the amount of, or even the Smashbox. What was that one called? That one, photo finish, photo somebody, photo shoot something, somewhere, somebody. That one goes, I think, for 580 if I'm not mistaken. All I'm trying to say is it is within the range for the type of foundation that it is. It is not trying to compete with your Fit Me's. It is not trying to compete with your Revlon foundation. So this is definitely, for the brand that it is, what it stands for, brand positioning, 100% on par. Let me know what other thoughts or what other points you would like me to hit down below. If I missed something, I will definitely be answering it in the comment section below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me finish up my makeup and come back with my final thoughts. Alrighty, and that's it. This is the finished look. Yeah, I just contoured and, you know, nothing special. Just kidding. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know your thoughts down below on everything that I mentioned. Actually, let me know what you think about the Lancome Tient Idole packaging. Let me know what you think about the smell if ever you've tried this foundation. Let me know what you think about the shade range. That's one thing I didn't mention in this video. She is made for everybody. She wants everybody to look cute. She wants everybody to look covered and be matte and not be oily, okay? I think it comes in about 45 shades if I'm not mistaken here in South Africa. I'm not sure about worldwide, so it's between 40 to 45 shades, which is a lot of shades. So yeah, tick tick tick. Let me know what you guys think about the price, and overall let me know what you guys think about this video. I hope you learned something new. Once again, like I said, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. I will definitely be releasing a video on how I did these faux locks in the next video, I think. Girl, I don't know, just subscribe and then you won't miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.